We are present top 10 best soldering stations. A quality soldering station can provide you with effective control over the heat you use to make and break critical electrical connections. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. Hakko Digital. It doesn't look flashy, but the Hakko Digital, about $100, is a solidly built piece of equipment that performs consistently. Its temperature range is considerable, it heats up and cools down quickly, and it conveniently defaults to its most recent setting when you turn it on. Number 2. Extronic 4010 Pro X. Although the Extronic 4010 Pro X, about $95, is designed to satisfy professionals, its easy-to-use interface and helpful accessories make it a nice choice for beginners, too. It includes a set of tweezers and a cord holder to keep wires out of your way. Number 3. Wella TS100. If you're regularly working on equipment that features small pieces and intricate connections, the Wella TS100, about $66, will enable you to solder with precision. Its compact size and portable design make it a good choice for a traveling technician. Number 4. LC100A++. The LC100A++, around $185, features a powerful iron and a separate desoldering gun that can break connections smoothly. It includes a cleaning pin and a useful smoke-absorbing mechanism that helps keep the air around your workspace clear. Number 5. Wella WD1002. Thanks to 3 preset buttons that allow for quick and easy temperature changes, there isn't much of a learning curve with the Wella WD1002, about $599. The adjustable stand can be tilted to 4 angles so that the iron is always accessible. Number 6. Exca ST2090D. Even inexperienced users shouldn't have a problem operating the simple but effective Exca ST2090D, around $49. It offers an easy-to-see temperature display screen and a button for alternating between Celsius and Fahrenheit readings. Number 7. LC968A+. The LC968A+, around $175, is designed with convenient holders for the air gun, iron and spool, enabling you to keep your most commonly used components organized in one place. It comes with spare heating elements, and the control knob allows for precise adjustments. Number 8. Exca T12. Exca T12, about $58, provides you with a working temperature range of about 300 to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, which should suffice for most soldering, shrinking and thawing projects. Its boost mode can deliver a rapid increase in heat, too. Number 9. Wella LC100. It probably won't suffice for someone tasked with complex electronics work, but the Wella LC100, about $35, is a useful model for occasional do-it-yourself projects. The iron has a comfortable foam grip, which makes it easy to maneuver. Number 10. LC9378. The LC9378, around $79, allows you to easily switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit readouts, and it includes tips of various sizes. It gets hot quickly and maintains its temperature consistently, giving you plenty of control over how much heat you're applying.